Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious chive pancake. Let's dive right in. To start, wash the Chinese chives, drain them well, and finely chop them. Place the chopped chives in a bowl. Next, crack eggs into a prep bowl, add some chicken powder, and whisk everything together until it's well combined. Now heat up a pan and add a suitable amount of cooking oil over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture to make some fluffy scrambled eggs. Once they are cooked, set the scrambled eggs aside. In the same bowl with the chives, add the scrambled eggs, a bit of cooking oil, dried shrimp paste, and a pinch of 5-spice powder. Mix everything thoroughly and set it aside. In a different bowl, add cornmeal, a little chicken powder, and some milk. Stir everything together until it forms a crumbly texture. The mixture should hold together when squeezed, but you don't need to knead it into a dough. Now, preheat an electric griddle without adding any oil. Place the cornmeal mixture on the griddle and press it down firmly. Next, evenly spread the prepared chive, dried shrimp, and egg filling over the cornmeal on the griddle. Cover the griddle, set it to a high temperature, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Along the edges of the griddle, drizzle some vegetable oil, then continue cooking for an additional 5 minutes until the pancake is ready. And there you have it, your scrumptious chive pancake is ready. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.